If your car is hesitating, stalling, or just feels off when you press the gas pedal, your throttle position sensor might be to blame. This small component can cause big problems, and ignoring it could cost you way more than a sensor replacement. In this video, I'll break down the 5 most common symptoms of a failing throttle position sensor and what you should do next. Let's jump in. Number 1. Jerking or hesitation when accelerating. Ever hit the gas and your car jerks forward, or worse, doesn't respond at all for a second? That hesitation can be caused by a failing TPS. Since the sensor isn't accurately telling the ECU how much throttle you're giving, the engine can misfire or delay response. This is usually one of the first signs that something is wrong. You're at a red light. It turns green, you press the gas, and instead of a smooth launch, the car stutters or lurches forward unexpectedly. This isn't just uncomfortable, it's potentially dangerous in traffic or intersections. Number 2. Unstable idle or stalling. If your engine's idle is all over the place, revving up and down or stalling at stoplights, your TPS could be giving inconsistent readings. A faulty TPS can make the ECU think you're pressing the gas when you're not, or not pressing it when you are, messing with the idle RPMs. Your car idles fine for a moment, then suddenly the RPM drops and the engine stalls. You restart it, and the idle bounces between 600 and 1,500 RPM without touching the pedal. Unstable idle affects fuel efficiency and comfort. Number 3. Check engine light. This one's obvious, but if your check engine light comes on, especially along with any of these symptoms, don't ignore it. A scan tool or code reader will often reveal a TPS-related trouble code, like P0120 through P0124. That's your car telling you exactly where the problem is. You might notice the CEL comes on during highway driving and the car feels sluggish. A TPS code means the ECU can no longer reliably calculate throttle position, affecting fuel delivery, timing, and shift points. Ignoring it can lead to additional damage, like fouled spark plugs or a clogged catalytic converter. Number 4. Poor fuel economy. A malfunctioning TPS can send the wrong signals to your engine, leading to poor fuel-to-air ratios. That means your car could be dumping too much fuel, killing your gas mileage and potentially damaging your catalytic converter over time. You notice your fuel mileage has dropped by 20 to 30%, even though your driving habits haven't changed. The exhaust may also smell rich, like unburned gasoline. Long-term rich running can damage the catalytic converter and increase emissions. Number 5. Transmission shifting issues in automatics. Here's one a lot of people don't connect to the throttle position sensor: rough or delayed shifting in automatic transmissions. Modern transmissions rely on throttle input to decide when to shift. If the TPS is feeding bad data, your car might hold gears too long or shift at the wrong time. You're driving at 40 miles per hour and the car won't shift out of second gear, or it abruptly slams into the next gear. This is especially common in vehicles like Ford, GM, or Chrysler with electronically controlled transmissions. A faulty TPS mimics transmission problems, but the transmission might be fine. So, what causes a TPS to fail? Over time, the internal contacts wear out. Dirt, heat, and vibration from the engine bay can also lead to malfunction. It's a small part, but it lives a hard life. In most cases, the sensor simply wears out with age, especially in high-mileage vehicles. Oh, there you have it, the 5 most common symptoms of a bad throttle position sensor. If you've experienced any of these, it might be time to check your TPS before it leads to bigger problems. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.